Hey, good day, folks. Another S Group daily review video number 133. We got our earnings today in the system. It was 0.31, I believe. Today's May 1st. There we go, 5-1. So May 1st, 2023. As you see, it's May 1st down below here. That's, 0.31%. So I made, what was it, 65. 65, 61. There we go. I added up my calculator here. So that's how much I made today, guys, on the investment I have here. We just got paid roughly about an hour ago because we get paid at 8 p.m. Central Time. As you see, it's 9 p.m. Central Time right now. So it got added to my monthly income, $519.87. So just look at that, guys. I made $519.87 in 12 days because that's when I reset these investments. So if you guys have been following me, what'll happen is every 28 days, once these investments reach 28 days, I'm going to check these two boxes and then click on combine deposits. And what that'll do is that will basically chunk these two together and take all the monthly earnings, shoot it up at the top right. And then at that point, I'll be able to have access to the money. I can do whatever I want, reinvest it all, take it out. That's kind of my thing. So, what I might actually do, what I'm going to do is this Friday, I'm going to do a withdrawal. I'm going to take out whatever amount is here. Some bonuses and commissions are coming in. So, whatever amount is here on Friday. So, as you see, today is May 1st. It's Monday. So, whatever amounts up here at that on that day on the Friday, I will take the money out and enjoy it. I got some bills to pay and stuff I'm doing. So I'm just going to enjoy that, and then I'm just going to let this ride till 28 days, and going to combine and reinvest, and just keep basically rinse and repeat. Basically, do the same thing over and over again. So um, yeah, as you see, guys, see right here, see this is all grayed out because the system is still paying everybody out. There's about 100,000 members. Most of them are overseas, but there's some members in North America. I'm in Canada, of course. So if you guys been following me on my YouTube channel, thank you very much. If you haven't, you just clicked stumbled upon my video. Click the subscribe link down below so you can subscribe to my channel. You can see all the updates and progress as things are going along. Also, since my last video, S4X Pro has been implemented. As you see, I'm invested in S4X, but S4X Pro, this one is like high risk, high reward. So you do have the potential to earn a little bit more money. As you see the graph here, when it started out, 1.24. The next day was 0.74 today. So it is high risk, high reward. Apparently, there's more of a risk, so it's not for sure money. So you might have days where you actually lose a little bit, but you're actually earning quite a bit. So just think last 2 days 1.24 is 0.74. So it is pretty amazing. I remember when the regular Forex was like around these numbers. This was 2 years ago. So if only we had that today, because I have a good chunk of change in there now. So. But my sponsor, he did tell me he wants to get up to 25,000. He's actually pretty close in getting his team turnover, which is a $150,000 bonus, which I'll show you guys right here. It's unbelievable. Like once you get into the system, you start building up a big team. As you see, I have 22,159 to reach my next bonus, which is 2,000. But my sponsor, he's all the way down here. So the level 15%. He's almost at 3 million in team turnover, so he has about 200,000 left. So he'll be getting a $150,000 bonus. And then the one after that is 500,000, which will probably take him maybe 2 or 3 years to get that, but he's definitely on his way. So I just want to make this quick 5 minute daily review video, guys, to show you my progress, show you the earnings for today. Like I said, if you're just stumbling upon S Group videos, you came across my video, I want to thank you for checking it out. You can also click on the sign up link down below to sign up for S Group. You get access to the back office. You can take a look. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. And it's good to get your account funded as quick as you can. Like I said, I have money invested in the S4X account here, 26,000. Oh, I gotta click on. Here we go. $26,000 is my base principal. This is my monthly. This is how much I've made since I started, guys. 24,798 total profits. So yeah, that ends my 5 minute daily review video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to my channel. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.